Okay then guys, so here we are, speed build part number 1, and in today's part we're just going to be doing bags 1 to 14, which I believe is just this entire ground floor section there. I don't know if the dinosaur comes into play in bags 1 to 14, but that's what we're going to be doing in this one. So without further ado, let's crack on with this speed build. Okay then guys, so here we are, the ground floor of the Natural History Museum is complete. I mean, how awesome does this look? As we just take a look at the front of the building there, even the railings are very cool, the statue, the plants, even the front entrance. I love that museum sign there, going all the way down to another statue there. And then as we take a look around the back, it's quite plain, to be fair. I don't know what the reference to the dog is, so if I'm missing something there, if anyone knows what that reference is, please let me know. Even down to the detail of the puddle that's coming from the drain pipe, and then the back door of the Natural History Museum. And then as we bring it back round to the front, I mean, even the pillars, I just love those pillars there and the two lights at the front. So as we go inside, as we take a look inside, some of the detail. So there is the dinosaur. That's just what I built last. So he does come out. So there is the dinosaur there. You can display him outside if you wish. I think I'm going to keep him inside for now. But if you look there, so if we look at some of the detail, that's in the window there. You've got some dinosaur eggs. That's where the dinosaur sits, just there. We've got an exhibit there. You can't quite see it there. But in that glass jar, let's take it off. But in that glass jar there is an exhibit of some dinosaur dung. So that's like a bit of a reference to Jurassic Park, which I love there. And then you've just got some more detail. You've got another very tiny display just there, that white skull. If you go down past the main entrance, you can see the till. And there's the front doors. And then some more fantastic detail of another display there in the window. And then the fantastic looking staircase. So let's just pop the dinosaur back in. So just absolutely fantastic detail. I mean, even that, look at the sign, that's just above the door just there. And then there's another one above that door there. Fantastic detail. You got the till. You've got some, it's actually, if we look through there, which is pretty cool. We look at the till there. You've got some stuff you can buy. You've got a magnifying glass. And then some stuff on the shelf there. Just looks fantastic. Oh, and I forgot to show you as well. It's very, very small, but there is a toilet. So you can just see it just there. Just there. There is a toilet. There's a toilet roll. Absolute awesome detail. And then that's going to bring an end to Speed Build Part 1. Okay then guys, so if you have enjoyed this one, please give the video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Subscribing is absolutely free and it helps out my channel more than you ever know. Leave me some comments as well. Let me know what you guys think so far of this awesome looking Natural History Museum. Thank you all so much for watching. We're going to see you all very soon for part number 2.